Yo, what up YouTube? So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a thumbnail only using your browser and downloading no applications, no editor software, nothing. So yeah, if you enjoy this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing you need to look up is a website called PIXLR, like that. This is it. PIXLR.com, photo editor online. And in case you don't remember it, I'll put the link in the description. You click on that, and there's two: PIXLR E and PIXLR X and PIXLR E. I personally use E because it's easier for me, no pun intended. But yeah, and so here you can see some of my thumbnails that I've worked on because it does save your data. And this was for an upcoming thing. But yeah, first thing you need to do is pick out the canvas size you want. And for YouTube thumbnails, it's gonna be 1280 by 720. So hit that, and then it should load you in to this page right here. And just say this video is gonna be about like Fortnite things, okay? So I'm gonna look up some Fortnite things. So I'm gonna look like. So first thing you're gonna do, actually get a cool background. So I'm gonna use purple because purple's pretty cool. Fortnite zombie maps, I looked that up. Not Fortnite, what am I doing? Purple backgrounds. Just purple background. It doesn't have to be 12 by 70. It does make it easier, but if you're okay with anything, let it slide. So yeah, just find something simple that will work. Something that will fit into your spot well, something that has a bit of glow to it. I actually like this one a lot. So what you can do, save image as, and then go to a folder, and then here's some of my things, and then what you gotta do is hit save, and just close that out, and that should be in one of your folders now. And now what you gotta do, hit image, and then after hitting image, it should bring you to all these, and then go to the folder you saved it as. So I saved it in vid, and it was this one right here. So see how it didn't fit up the box? It's pretty simple. Just stretch it out. It may look pixely, but doesn't matter because it's just gonna be a faded look. And then next thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to get a Fortnite character. Well, this is just because it's a Fortnite thumbnail, but whatever thumbnail you want. So because I want Fortnite, I'm gonna put like a cool Fortnite thing, you know. So let me get something cool, a skin, fish stick skin PNG. Look up PNG because that's like the translucent one. So find one you like. Make sure that it has these little checkerboard pattern in the background, and then you just hit save image as. You could replace one of your current ones, but I'll just replace this one. But you don't have to. You could just click save, hit yes, and then let it finish downloading. Close it out. And then after doing that, you don't need this anymore. Just delete that. You can hit image, and it should be somewhere here because you replaced it. There it is. And it will automatically layer it on top of that. And you know, I'll put him in the corner. You know, let him be a little happy. But yeah, he's there now. And then what you do, click on him again, and so your video kind of has more of like a strengthening look to it with the color palette and such. You hit edit, and you hit stroke, and then see what that did is that put like a black outline around it, making it more pronounced. And you can do different colors, opacity. I usually keep it black, and then I kind of find like a decent line around. That's good. So yeah, and then what you also want to do is for the background, what you can do is you can look up like a Fortnite loading screen. Fortnite loading screen. Sorry about that. For some reason my footage cut and I complete the video, so I had to redo it all over again. But it's fine, because that's how we roll. But yeah, so next step is what I like to do is the the Fortnite loading screen. So you go to Fortnite loading screen HD, and the one we picked out was, well, yeah, the one I picked out was this one. It should pop up somewhere around here. It was here. As this photo right here. So what you do, you save image, and then I already saved it, so I'm not gonna download it again. But yeah, you know what to do after you save it. Put it in your file, because I want to just keep rinsing and repeating. You know how to save a file by now. But yeah, you get it, and you plop it in. And the first problem is that it's over your other photos. So what you do is you drag it down, and then it should look like that. But well, actually no, it should look like that first. But then you right click on the background you first chose, the purple one, and you pick between one of these. I like lighten, so it looks kind of like a brightish feel to it. And after you do that, you go to where is it? Text. Go to text, right? And what you do, say this video is about a 20 kill Fortnite dub. So you go 20 kill Fortnite win exclamation point, right? There's your thumbnail. Place it right there. All nice and cozy. And what we did like this, we stroke it, but instead it's new here at styles and outline. You hit outline, of course, I'll pick black, and then, oh yeah, and then actually before you do that, exit out of that and hit color up here. And here you can just pick the color of what you want it to be, and then now you can go back, and then the color of the outline is black. Pick the thickness, that, and then you can also, you don't have to do it in this order, but whichever order works for you. Pick one of the hundreds of fonts they have available, and I'll just pick the font I'll pick will just be, where is it, Daddy Day, because it looks really good for these gaming videos. Like that, and then I'll just kind of, you know, see how big I want it to be. That's good, right? And then to make your video pop a little bit more, get the ad out of the way. To make your video pop a little bit more, you can add a little bit of some arrows, some red arrows. So what you do, you go up here, all the way to the top, red arrow PNG, and the one I like to use is this one right here. And I already have it downloaded to save us time, and to save you time. Cancel. Is you go here, and just like how you opened him up, you find the picture, shrink him down a little bit too big. But yeah, find the picture, shrink it down to the proportions you like, and then kind of curve it a little bit, and then like that. And then just like the rest of them, you go hit edit, go hit stroke. Oh, it's already black. And then you just kind of pick the size of the stroke you want, and then do it again with another arrow. Do it for as many arrows as you want, but personally I'll just use 2 arrows. Flip it around like that, and then hit edit, stroke, and like that. Go. That's what you do. I might push this one back a little bit, but yeah, that's it. 20 kill Fortnite win. Put as many pictures as you want and all that stuff. Customize it. But yeah, and after doing that, just go up to here, hit save, and then here you can name it. Just name it Fortnite, and then hit download. And it should download it in like a couple seconds. Real quick. There we go. And then go to files, go to downloads, and there we go. It should pop up. There. But yeah, that's how you make a thumbnail without downloading anything for free. So yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you next time. Peace.